Good morning. We've been in the RV for 3 weeks. I'm going to show you a little tour of how we keep things organized and not falling while we're moving. Let's get started. All right, for organization, we're going to start in the back of the RV, which is the bathroom and the master bedroom. And I'm going to show you how we have organized a few things in this area. So I love to get the towels that have the hooks on the towels. Those are quite useful because they stay in place when we're driving. I recently found these amazing hooks and they are great for making sure we hang up things that need to dry, and that is really helpful inside the bathroom. I've been using a lot of command strips. They are great in various areas, so watch out for those because I have a ton here. So I've got command strips here for my jewelry. I have a command strip here for a extra trash can or a towel. I've got command hooks here for hats. This area we're using for hats and jackets. So we've got some rain jackets here, and this has been a great location for them. We have needed the rain jackets multiple times. All right, bathroom areas and cupboards have been a little bit difficult to find the right, basically Tupperware to hold things, but these long ones that are usually used for pencils have been great. I put a lot of bottles. This is basically our medicine cabinet, so I have kids' vitamins, allergy stuff, my kind of gut health things, regular ibuprofen, first aid kit stuff right here. So I keep my home cables. This is like my nighttime cables in here so they don't fly off the bed or get stuck underneath something when we're driving. And then we have all of our medicines in this one. This extra bathroom is awesome, but we actually do not use it to its full extent. Jason and I use it obviously for showering, getting ready, but like storage wise, we actually haven't filled it all up. As you can see here, we kind of have just loose items. Now the drawers is where I used the little containers the most. These plastic containers are great. They fit perfectly together. You can see this one is like maxed out. I have my makeup, my face wash, hair things, more hair things, and they fit perfectly together. These ones you can find, I think, at like Walmart, but these ones I got you can find them at Walmart or Target. I got these at Target. They have these little square ones, which are so good for small items, as well as the long ones, which I'm using everywhere. I used them in the mirror, I'm using them in the drawer, toothbrushes, pencils, various items, tall things, small things. I love it all. Okay, onto the master room where we have all of our clothes. We basically have a master closet, like a big closet. Right, Cal can show you one of the drawers. We have divided all of the drawers up and the hanging space and the shelves so that everyone has a designated area. So we have drawers here. These are Rykel's drawers. This one's kind of short, so she's got just essential things here, and then like pants and shirts. All the kids have a couple drawers, shirts and pants, or underwear and shirts. We have little girls. I've used these buckets to help divide sections of areas of what they need. Here's some more stuff. Boys' drawers. Okay, one of my favorite things about this RV is it has a great closet space. So up in here is the light, but also we have a hanging bar right here, which has been awesome. We've hung up all of mine and Jace's clothes. We've got suits, we've got kids' Sunday outfits, jackets, kids' shirts, and we can actually fit quite a bit more, which is great. Underneath, I'm utilizing these buckets again. Here we have some hats and masks. Here we have scriptures and reading books. Below in this basket, which is a tall basket, we have swimsuits. And then over here we have mom and dad's swimsuits, and then between the two is not enough space for another bucket. So we're using this area as a bag holder, which holds their Nintendo Switch and also another bag of like entertainment. I'm quite impressed. We actually brought a decent amount of clothes. We've done laundry once a week, and everyone is wearing nice clothes or like clean clothes. No one looks really dirty and raggedy, which has been awesome. All right, this long one, the long mirror closet, we had some problems with. So we had a second shelf right in here and it fell. So we are using and improvising different things. Okay, down here we have the long baskets, and we do this for school. Now, A lot of their school is actually in the front because as we get ready to go and drive, they're going to be doing school while we're driving. But this is where we hold it when we don't need it on the weekends. So this holds school. Back here is another kind of little step here. And this holds extra things or mom and dad things. So we have also some souvenirs that we've been collecting as we've been driving from everybody. Here's souvenirs, mom and dad's stuff, mom's organization. We have some recording equipment, more supplies. Now these tension rods are amazing. These things have flown off while we've been driving. We actually, I had a shelf that had tipped out and everything kind of made a mess. But these tension rods have kept everything in. They're awesome and they help hold. We use tension rods in the fridge as well. So that has kept all of our kind of school, paper, necessity, office needs, supplies all organized. Up here is like extra mom and dad stuff. So we have, Jace has some clothes in here. We also put hats in this one as well. Up here I have a basket full of shoes. These baskets are awesome. I got them from Target and they are fitting perfectly. We wedge things wherever we can. And in the back we actually have more. Back there we have more souvenirs. So this has been an awesome closet. If we needed more clothes space, we could totally use this, but I knew we were gonna bring school and we wanted to make that important and make space for it here. If you're wondering how we get things clean and organized, make sure you go check out that other Rach Bennett video. And this is our chore wheel. Go and check that out. But what I didn't show in that other video is our school charts. So we basically wrote out every day of the week and what subjects they're supposed to be doing on that day. So we have Raquel, Shay, so like 2 pages of language arts, Birds is on Thursday, Friday, and so on. So this helps them remember what day it is and what school they have to do. The master bedroom also has some extra drawers down there, which we keep more shoes in. We have this bucket, which will sit under the bed while we drive, and this little basket here is our extra shoes. So we keep 1 pair of shoes by the door and our extra shoes over here. So if it's a nice sunny day, we're gonna put our sandals by the door and then our walking shoes underneath the bed here. And this is just easy access. All right, this is how we're gonna organize certain areas. So up here is extra mom and dad clothing. This is kind of a deep area. It's kind of hard to think of what would fit in there. So we have these long baskets and they're shallow. Not very tall. So we keep our underwear in here as well as socks, extra shoes, hats. You can see I have my underwear, easy to pull out clothes, extra blankets, which it's kind of been chilly on some nights. So we have some thinner blankets, extra pillows in there. Okay, again, in this bathroom, we have these long organizers, like the pencil organizers, but I did find some toothbrush holders. These have been great for the kids. Soap holder, we're gonna keep extra supplies where we have extra room. In here, we've rolled up our extra beach towels and we hang them up in here. Extra towels go in there. Feminine products. And then in here, again, these ones have been great. This is Raquel's bin. So we have extra supplies in these areas. This is our bug spray and bug bite area. We have been using that a lot. Now in the bathroom, what I love is, come look at this. Okay, we have put these hooks that I showed in the other area, the clear suction cup hooks. We have been able to go swimming at various parks and places that we've been at, whether it's a stream or a pool. So when their things get wet, we hang them up on these hooks while we're driving. And then that way they'll dry before we need to put them away or put them in the laundry. And then you can see we've got swimsuits down here. And this, anything honestly in the bathroom, it's gonna fly around. So we wanna make sure they have some kind of suction on it. So that little holder has suctions on it. So the shampoo and the soap aren't gonna be flying around. So this has been great, having all these little hooks. And then what's awesome is we can just remove them when we actually do use the shower. Okay, onto the kitchen area. I'm using all of these long baskets. I like the ones that are straight up that don't angle for a little bit. They are holding a lot of good things. So I've got cooking supplies over here, peanut butter and honey right here, more cooking, more jars, and then I put other various things around it. This is our pantry. This is my favorite thing that I found. I actually found it at a camping store. Are these shelves. They're like, I think you can find them at other stores, but I found these ones at a camping store, and They are just an extender shelf which fits my bread underneath perfectly, and then we can fit like the cereals, the cupboard, anything like above it. So this has helped me organize a lot. All right, in the drawers we have more utensil organizers. Long one for other bigger utensils for cooking. And these are great things you can find at camping stores. Use this plastic bag holder a lot. It sticks to the back. This is awesome. I use it a lot for my paper towels. On our shelf here, I have this basket. We use a lot of these baskets, mostly for school and easy to access items. So we use the plates frequently. And then this is where their extra school goes. I just got this whiteboard. I'm gonna hang it up. I think right there. Yeah. I'm gonna hang the whiteboard right there, because there's been many times where I've realized, oh my gosh, I need to write that down of stuff that we need or food that we need. So I like to have a whiteboard that we can access so I can write down meals or whatever items we need. Okay, more cupboards. I'm using these little organizer baskets. This is our junk food cupboard, extra snacks and junk food. Also holds our masks right there. Okay, how we organize the front. It's a little different. I have these car organizers that I got years ago that we used in Alaska, and right over Jace, over here, he has a little one. Show me what's in your little organizer bucket, honey.
I cleaned it.
Did you?
Just M&Ms, cookies, a drink, and wait! In my pouch, ta-da! All my honey.
So he has a lot of snacks over there. I'm gonna get him some more. Salt and vinegar chips, honey.
Oh, that'll keep me awake.
I like to stack Dad with some goodies. Jace gets all this
keep me awake
cans.
too. Okay, now I'm ready.
We have some extra buckets for storage. We've realized that we need it most for school. So we have this area to put school items in, and then over here we have an extra box of snacks. It's got big items underneath like watermelon pickles, and then extra snacks for Mom. Watermelon and pickles, not watermelon pickles. And then up near the front where I sit, we have two similar buckets. So we have a bucket here, and that is for electronics, and another bucket down here for laptops and mama snacks. Up here we have some more storage, but we don't use this as much. We pulled out some things. Whoop. So it's only got a few items in here. We have lots of space up there. So that's a little tour of how we organize things. I hope you guys liked it. We're all packed in now. Got the slides in. Are we ready to roll?
Yeah.
Okay. Dad, we ready to roll?
Yes.
Okay.
I am.
All right, for more organization tips and RV living, go and check out more of those videos on here on Rach Bennett, because we have chores and our meal planning and fun activities to keep the kids entertained while traveling for long hours. So go and check them out. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.